I've got this Laura Geller Jelly Balm lipstick. They gifted this to me to try out, and that's what we're going to do. I'm not really a fan of lipstick, so we're going to see how this one does. This is the shade In the Buff. This has squalene and vitamin E. It's supposed to be hydrating. This is what it looks like. I've played around with it a little bit already, just so you know. But here it is on my hand. It's a pretty pink color, and the more you put on, you can layer it on and get more color. And let's go ahead and try it. This is what it looks like on me. It's kind of pink. It looks kind of natural on me. Probably might want to try one of their other shades to see if it can be a little more natural, but this looks pretty good. It actually feels pretty hydrating. I think most lipsticks feel kind of matte. I prefer lip gloss because I like the glossiness and I like how it feels on my lips. This doesn't have that glossiness, that shine as a lip gloss, but it feels like a lip gloss on my lips, which I'm like, okay, that's pretty good. So if you like the feel of lip gloss, but don't like the look of lip gloss, this is definitely something to try. Yeah, I'm liking this. I'm liking this.